Forget everything you thought you knew about love stories. Imagine a world where the one isn't just one person, and every whispered "I love you" creates a ripple effect no one saw coming. This is the story of what happens when love stories collide. Maya and Arjun had shared 5 years together, a life carefully built on laughter, late-night drives, and quiet routines. To the outside world, they were the perfect couple, balanced, stable, unshakable. Meanwhile, Rahul and Nisha were childhood sweethearts, admired for their effortless bond, the kind of pair who seemed destined to stay together forever. But fate, as it often does, had other plans. One evening, a wedding brought them all under the same roof. Amid the music, chatter, and fleeting glances, Maya found herself talking with Rahul. Their conversation flowed with an uncanny familiarity, as if reconnecting with a lost piece of herself. Across the room, Arjun and Nisha shared subtle smiles, a quiet understanding forming between them. Doubts unspoken for years finally voiced in a glance, a gesture. It wasn't infidelity in the conventional sense. There were no secret texts, no stolen kisses under the moonlight. Instead, it was something far more delicate and dangerous, the slow, irresistible pull of unspoken connection. Every glance, every unfinished sentence began to shift the balance of their lives in ways they hadn't anticipated. Questions arose in the quiet corners of their hearts. Maya asked herself, is stability enough, or do I deserve passion? Rahul wondered, am I holding on to Nisha because of love or just nostalgia? Arjun realized that the smiles he'd shared had been a mask, concealing a deep loneliness. And Nisha, after years of unwavering companionship, faced a painful truth. Sometimes growing up together doesn't mean you're meant to grow old together. When love stories collide, there are no villains. There are only people, each chasing pieces of themselves in others. Hearts fracture, new bonds form, and sometimes solitude emerges as the bravest choice. Yet the collision didn't destroy them. It revealed them. Each person walked away transformed, no longer confined to the safe, familiar scripts of romance, but guided by the truths their hearts could no longer ignore. Love is not a straight line. It's a crossroads, messy, unpredictable, beautiful. And when stories collide, they remind us that sometimes the greatest love we find is the one that helps us discover who we truly are. Have you ever seen love's unexpected crossroads? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life tales.